Hey guys, you ready to see some cute animals? Number 1, a horse, which is sticking its mouth in some food. Cute, isn't it? Very cute. Baby Brand's like it. So yeah. Hey. Okay, that's it eating its food. Hey Breezy! 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 Cute, isn't it? Okay, well we showed you that. Number 2. Now we got Porky. It's a pig. It's eating its food. Makes that cool sound.
He ate all his food already? That's all he gets? Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, that was him. Number 3, another pig. This is another pig. One sec, better view. Hey Dad. Okay, one sec. There we got the other pig. He's a little shy, looks like it. Miss Hammy is its name. Hey Miss Hammy. The one that I just showed you guys was a little bit more rough. Okay, well that's Miss Hammy and number 4. Or maybe this is number 5, I'm not sure. But let's get into it. Goat. We've got a goat. And another goat. Very cute. And then we got the final goat. We've got the 3 little goats, just like the story. We've got white goat. We've got the cute goat. Ah! Oh. Then we've got the one that will not show its face, but this goat, too. I like this one, it's cute. Miss Hammy wanted to take a visit. Yeah? Miss Hammy is the last one. Bye.